welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So after a long time I got a chance to film a vlog finally, and Simran is here with me.
Hello.
And Nishi.
Hi.
So today we are going for an outing after a long time. So as you know, we are in lockdown level 3, like whole Auckland, and we've been in lockdown for the past 2 months now. And yeah, so in level 3, so the new rule is you can go out and meet your friends or family, like up to 10 people.
2 households.
Yeah, like 2 households. Yeah, so finally we decided, let's go out and just get a fresh air. So we are all set to go to Bethells Beach. So Bethells Beach is one of the very beautiful areas in Auckland, just within Auckland area. So it's like kind of hiking and picnic we are going to do there.
There's like a beach coastal walk, and there's like sand dunes as well.
Sand dunes?
There's a area where there's a sand dunes walk you can do, and there's like a coastal walk as well.
Oh,
that you can do.
wow.
So it'll be very beautiful.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a long walk.
Yeah, and we got all the picnic stuff.
Yes, so we are gonna do like a proper picnic.
Yeah.
We've got this mat and then a basket full of fruits.
Snacks. I got badam milk as well.
Really? Perfect.
All this stuff.
As you can see, the weather is really nice, sunny and bright, because actually this week it's been like raining on and off, and the weather has really been very bad. But today luckily it's a nice day. How far are we, guys?
We are still 20 minutes away.
20 minutes away.
25.
Ah.
We took a few stops to get food and cake and
Yeah.
everything. So we are running late.
For the trip, yeah.
Running late.
We must have food for the trip.
Yeah, otherwise we'll be hungry. We won't be able to enjoy it.
I know. So we are here at Bethells Beach. We just parked our car. Yes.
Now trying to walk towards the entry. There's so many people.
I know, actually there are
My
way too
God.
many people
Way too many
than we
people.
expected.
We're carrying the
girls.
saman. Picnic ka saman.
Yes, picnic ready.
Picnic ka saman.
We are actually matching, Simran, see?
Yes. Oh, actually true.
Twinning for the day.
Really.
Wow, this weather cannot get any better.
Actually, I'm so happy we're back to summer now.
I know.
Finally, after like months of being in rain and wind.
Yeah, it's been raining so badly actually. Nice.
Well, hey, what's in the box?
We are almost here. Some more friends are joining us on this trip. Hi Yash.
Welcome to Bethells.
This is Renesh and this is Shamir. Wow, look at the waves. Okay, it's time to set up the picnic spot. I've got the mat slash bed sheet for the picnic. Yay! Yes. Hang on. कहाँ पे यहाँ डालूं?
हाँ यही डाल
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer.
We are enjoying our picnic.
And the badam milk.
Yes, badang milk. Oh my, where is mine? Yeah.
We should be
Oh,
sponsored.
this is so good.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Cheers.
mate.
Luckily we got
प्रॉपर
the
बादाम दूध है यार ये इंडिया में जैसे मिलता है.
No, luckily we got the hat and the sunglasses. It's so sunny.
I know, it's a good thing we got all these things.
Prepared, yeah.
Ha. You know what? We should have brought a tent.
Yeah.
Some of the people, they have actually brought a tent. I'll
Could
show
have
you
lied
one.
down, you know.
Can you see that tent?
We have so much food to eat.
Yeah.
Can we not?
Balaji wafers.
Lots of stuff.
How's your cake?
Oh, cake is very good. I can't
Yeah.
eat it because it's hot.
This cake. Chocolate cake. Kiwis.
Yeah, we should.
Kiwi has become my favorite food nowadays.
Yeah, badam milk is good.
So good, yeah. And you know, in this box they've given the knife as well.
Really?
Yeah, to cut them. See?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so it's like cut it,
And then
scoop
eat
it,
it.
and eat it. So I am actually, I'm just gonna cut it. So good. Wow.
Look at those cute doggies.
Look around, guys. It's so pretty. Everything here. Right now, I'm walking in the water, and it's really warm actually. Nice breeze. People are actually swimming over there. I actually needed this break, you know, because it's been like 2 months so far. We've been in lockdown. First, we were in lockdown 4. Now we've gone down to like level 3. The good part about lockdown is I'm still going to the work, so it's kind of keeping me sane. Otherwise, if I stayed at home, I would have gone crazy. But yeah, so today is my day off, so I thought I'll just, you know, come down here with my friends and get a fresh air after a long time. So the week before lockdown happened, we had actually planned a trip, actually 2 trips I was supposed to go on, and I was planning to, you know, shoot the trip and make nice vlogs, but lockdown happened. So let's see when this is all over and finally we can go out of Auckland to explore.
वो लोग back off कर दिए हैं.
Oh, look at this cutie. Okay, let's cross this.
Let's cross the river. This is River Nile.
Yay! So we are on the other side of Bethel's Beach, and there are less people over here, and the sun's going down slowly. It's already 5 p.m. So it's the best part is we are going into summer, and it doesn't get dark until like 7:30, 8. So we have like lots of time to explore. Yeah, so quiet and nice here. Oh, wow. This is a perfect location for photo shoot. Photo shoot, Nishi's getting her photos clicked. Okay, we are going to the other spot now. So now we are going to the sand dunes. So we are here. We are going here, sand dunes. And there is again, if you go further ahead, there is this lake Wainamo. So yeah, let's go. So it's going to be a little walk from here to the sand dunes and the lake. And I'm so hungry. I'm already eating my sandwich now. So we have to cross this waterway to get there. Should have taken off the shoes.
अबे यार.
You walk through the lake stream to reach the lake.
Yeah, stream. So it's a 20-minute walk via stream.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going from here. So this is the stream walkway. So I've taken off my shoes. Oh, it's cold. Hi, Nishi. It's fun.
Yes, it is. This is the first time we're walking through a lake.
Yeah,
to the lake.
exactly. And those are the sand dunes over there. I am totally loving this. Oh, it's almost sunset time. Wow. Here we are. This is a very beautiful place, and this is the sand dunes here. So you can see. And look at that hill over there. So pretty. So we are going this way. Okay. They are already over there. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, it's too steep. Oh my god. Ah. Wow. Made it. Huh. Wow. What you doing?
Sliding. I'm going with this.
Oh, wow. Wow. Awesome. I'm on top of a sand dune. It feels like I'm in desert. What a fun to climb it. Okay, let's head back to the car park now. It's about to get dark. It's 7:45 p.m. right now. And by the time we reach there, it's gonna be dark. Today was fun. It feels so good to finally, to get out of the town and get some fresh air. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care.